the Widow Borders Foundation. We don't come for can start again. Now they found in this. One starts with them. We don't start to 100. So we really thank the Widows Mothers Foundation for this donation. When they don't donate for the widows for Kumba. Or say may they start do poultry farm. Now in this we don't start. Although it's not easy, they will go the struggle. We go the need feed for the give them. As they do so, if we not feed them well, if they need to get their chop constantly, they not go survive. I will not go get this number. I will get 100. What they do for year. Last time we get at 50, so one they be die because for the meet up with their feedings. So now don't start to 100 and we pray say me the 100 may they remain. I would encourage you now. I want to tell una friend the way they know do it today. So may they try. The fowl they go need just as they tell with the first day. They need cleanliness, clean place now they need them. So we really thank our funders. I will pray say may they continue for the support the widows. For make sure say more no again at this one, more expand again for different siding. Forget other poultry farm, the other widows away they go can join with. Thank you so much.